Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play chess joyfully. To begin, shift your focus from solely winning to appreciating the game's inherent beauty and complexity. Embrace every move as a chance to learn, whether it leads to triumph or a valuable lesson. Remember, the journey of improvement is far more rewarding than any single outcome. Celebrate your clever ideas and enjoy the strategic dance on the board. This mindset transforms every game into a delightful experience, fostering a deeper connection with chess. Cultivating a positive mindset is crucial for sustained enjoyment. Approach each game with curiosity, seeing it as a unique puzzle waiting to be solved, rather than a high-stakes battle. This perspective reduces pressure and allows for more creative play. Stay present, focusing on the 64 squares and the pieces, rather than worrying about the final result. Remember, every player, even grandmasters, makes errors. It is part of the learning process. Embrace the challenge and the fun. To grow joyfully, dedicate a small amount of time, perhaps 15 minutes daily, to studying. Explore various openings, understand middle game plans, and practice endgame techniques. After each game, take a few minutes to review your moves, noting both brilliant plays and missed opportunities. Solving 5 to 10 tactical puzzles each day can significantly sharpen your vision and calculation. Experiment with different approaches. Finding a style that suits you makes every game more engaging and personal. Connecting with others enhances the joy of chess immensely. Seek out a local club or an online community where you can play friendly games and discuss strategies. Participating in casual tournaments, where the emphasis is on learning and meeting new people, can be incredibly rewarding. Consider teaching a friend or family member. Explaining concepts solidifies your own understanding. Ultimately, playing for the sheer fun of it, without pressure, is the purest form of joyful chess.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.